Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Mumbi. Today for a change, I've come with a dessert recipe. I will be making carrot halwa. Try making this recipe with fresh carrots. By fresh, I mean make it the very next day you buy them from your grocery store. You need to grate them. I used my food processor, but you can also use a grater. In that case, use the coarse holes to grate the carrot. Heat about 2 heaped tablespoons of ghee. Add the grated carrots and stir them on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. If you see your carrots releasing water, you need to fry them till all that water dries up. Usually sugar is used, but I like using sweetened condensed milk. Actually, khoya or mawa is used for this recipe. Mawa is made by cooking milk on low heat for hours and hours till it reduces to a thick milk solid. I feel adding condensed milk will be easier for those who do not have access to Indian grocery store. You can also use full-fat milk, but in that case it takes a longer time for the milk to reduce. Cover it for a few minutes. I added about 3/4 of a cup of milk. Cover on low heat till the carrots soak up most of that milk. In the meantime, I toasted some flaked almonds. You also need to grind 4 cardamom pods. Remove the outer skin and grind the seeds to a fine powder. Okay, my friends, as you can see, the carrots have soaked up all the milk. Add the cardamom powder and a good amount of ghee. My friends, this recipe calls for a good amount of ghee. It is the ghee that brings in flavor to the carrots. So please do not make a carrot halwa that is dry, and you do not want a strong carrot smell either. And this is done. You can store in the refrigerator for a week and have it little by little every day, or you can freeze it. Just warm it up a little in the microwave before serving. I decorated it with some toasted almonds, and this is what is known as mawa. It is solidified milk, but please do not worry if you cannot find it. It is sold as blocks and you will find them in the refrigerated section of your Indian grocery store. I cut them into chunks and freeze them. Please click that like button for me and I will see you next time. Bye bye.